how to unzip and zip files using a SSH terminal on an Ubuntu server. Currently, I'm connected to my server via SFTP using WinSCP, and that is just to show you what's going on visually with the files. As you can see, on the left hand side we have my local devices files, and on the right hand side of the window is my remote servers files. As you can see, I have a zip file and it's called Bedrock Server, and we're going to be unzipping this file. So let's go ahead and open up an SSH terminal window. So the first thing you need to do is go to commands here and then go open in PuTTY. Once you've done that, you'll be greeted with your username, which you would have entered into WinSCP to originally connect, and you'll need to put in your password. So I'm just going to go back to my server details here to find the password. There is my password here, and currently my server is hosted on Vultr. If you would like to use Vultr as your server host, I'll put my referral link in the video description. If you use my referral link, you'll get some credits which you can use to test out the server. Alright, so we've copied our password here, and I'm going to go back to the PuTTY terminal window here. I'm just going to right click to paste and then hit enter. Once you've done that, you'll be logged into your server via SSH. And now I'm just going to minimize my Vultr window here, and I'm just going to pull down the terminal just so you can see what's going on with the files. Alright, to begin unzipping this bedrock server.zip file, we need to install UnZip. To do this, you need to type the following: apt space install space UnZip. Once you've typed that in, hit enter, and your server will begin installing UnZip. Once that's been installed, you are now ready to unzip your file. So to unzip your file, enter the following command: unzip, and then your file name. So mine is bedrock-server-1.16.40.02.zip. Once you've entered the command, hit enter, and your server will begin unzipping your zip file. Alright, that's complete now, and just to check if it has completed, I'm going to refresh my server's directory here. And as you can see, there's all the files that we have unzipped from our zip file. Alright, next I'm going to show you how to zip multiple files. To do this, compile all the files into a single folder that you want to zip. So I'm just going to right click, then go new, then go directory. I'm going to call it Minecraft, and then hit OK. And now I'm just going to drag all the contents that I have unzipped back into Minecraft. I'm also going to include the bedrock server.zip file in there as well. So I'm just going to basically highlight everything except the new Minecraft folder that I've just made, and then just simply drag it in. Alright, let's check if all the contents are in the Minecraft folder by double clicking on it. And there we go, yeah, everything's in the Minecraft folder. Let's go back here. Alright, so how do we zip this Minecraft folder to make it smaller? Open back up your SSH terminal, and you're going to want to install zip. So to do this, again, you need to type the following command: apt space install space zip, and then hit enter, and zip will begin installing onto your server. Once that's done, you're ready to enter the zip command. So please enter the following: zip space -r space the zip file name that you're going to be generating. So I'm going to call it minecraft.zip space the folder name that you want to zip. So the folder that I want to zip is called Minecraft. So I'm just going to go Minecraft. Alright, once you've typed that in, hit enter. And as you can see, your server will begin zipping the file that you entered in the command. Alright guys, judging by the SSH terminal, it looks like it's completed. Let's just minimize this terminal for the time being and then refresh the contents to see if there is a zip file. And there we go guys, we have a new file called minecraft.zip. Alright guys, that concludes the video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment down below, and most importantly of all, subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you on the next video.
Is it so hard to let you go?